How to use Tripadvisor Plus subscription feature. The Tripadvisor Plus subscription service was permanently discontinued by the company. In its place, the platform has transitioned entirely to a free reward ecosystem. Because the $9.99 annual travel club model is no longer active, you do not need to pay a subscription fee to access membership perks. Instead, you can activate your traveler benefits by simply using the up-to-date loyalty framework. You have to simply log into your profile via the standard interface. Then, membership is automatically active and free for all registered users. Book hotels or travel experiences directly within the mobile application, and you can earn up to 5% back in digital rewards. And accumulated rewards can be now applied directly as a discount on subsequent booking. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.